Hi everyone! We tried the Sunset Parao sailing in Boracay for 750 pesos per head. For that amount, solo na namin yung left side ng bangka. So, sulit na rin naman siya. Plus, friendly naman yung mga bangkero dahil sila na yung magpepresenta mag-video and picture sa inyo. Ang sinuggest sa amin is kunin yung left side ng bangka kasi kapag pabalik na siya, ang ganda talaga ng view. As in, marirelax ka and ma-enjoy mo talaga yung sunset. 30 minutes pala yung boat ride and I must say that this is really a must try here in Boracay. So, yun lang. Try nyo din and enjoy!